probably. Did you know this existed?
No, I didn't look for it.
So do you just like compile videos of elevators?
Yeah, we just post them one at a time.
You post them where?
We post them on YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah, they both have channels.
elevator
Yep.
channels.
Yeah.
How many subscribers?
813 for me.
1,000,
813, yeah.
1,460.
Sick. I have like 40.
Nice. What do you do?
I just post time lapses and stuff.
That's dope. That's
Yeah,
cool.
that's pretty cool though.
What you just got to do is you just got to post consistently.
Custom impulse.
I post like once a year. So.
Oh, that's probably why.
should-
I post once a day, so.
We should
That's
probably
what
only
does it.
go to like. Should we go to B?
Yeah, why not?
We'll go to B and then.
Just tell them we got lost.
Yeah, we were looking for another elevator to get down. And
What happens if we like come out in some jank room?
it's probably
Go
going to
back
be a
up.
laundry room, but we'll just go back up to 5 and we'll take the stairs down. My guess is that it's a laundry room. That's definite. What generally they do with this sort of elevator.
It's very small. This probably used to be something manual as well.
Yeah, I got modded, definitely. But custom impulse is cool. I got to get a picture of that panel there.
We should see the machine. We should check the machine room on that manual. I have a feeling it's winding drum.
I don't think you'll be able to get to it.
Might as well try.
I'll let you do that. I'm going to ride back up.
Sounds good. Let's just see what's
Wanna take
happening.
a look?
There's cameras down there. I'm not going to bother. I'm going to go down on the other one.
Okay, push 5 for us.
Sure that panel. Sorry about that.
I'll get a picture of it when we get back up. And the cab view. It is hydraulic. You can definitely hear the hydraulic driver in it.
Yeah, it's definitely hydro. Interesting conversion. I think the machine for this used to be up there.
Probably.
Because there was a
used to be.
platform for a machine.
And this car is newer. This is definitely a full replacement.
For sure. Definitely kept the original hoist way.
And it has that Dover logo still on it.
It does.
A lot of times those get busted off.
By people like me.
Or freight cars that come through and
Yeah,
get
exactly.
it damaged. Let me get a look at that panel. I'm going to get a picture of it.